All right, so I wanted to do this quick video just so we can go through some market research. So whenever you're looking, if you happen to be like a real estate investor, real estate wholesaler, just anywhere that you're starting to do any type of real estate investment or need help understand like your market area, you're gonna be going through some research on your area to find out if you happen to like that area and whatnot. Part of the process of looking for properties is looking into how much or what the potential property can sell for in that area, which is called ARV. And I want to go through a little quick process on how you can find the ARV, which literally takes less than 30 seconds for you to find out and do a little quick market research. So with that, let me just transition over here so I can show you guys really quick. And we're going to be using just a random city, random US city website so we can find these. And then let me go through it. Let me press it a couple times so that we guys can see it's selecting random cities. So let's go with this one right here. The first one is Nashville Davidson in Tennessee. So I'm gonna use Zillow. Zillow is gonna be my market, and I want to refresh this, make sure that I'm in the home page. And whenever you're researching a market, always refresh Zillow. It's definitely gonna be helpful. So it was Nashville, Nashville, Tennessee. So we're gonna be looking here at Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're looking for like properties, let's say if you happen to be, ironically happen to be in Nashville, Tennessee, I'm gonna reset all these filters as well too. So again, I just want to help it out, help Zillow out, give me all the data. And if you happen to be looking at properties right here on the right side, bam, these are going to be like all the current properties. You're like, well, that's not really going to help me find the ARV. Well, here's the thing. If you keep on scrolling and you go past like where it gives you like the number of pages to look at properties, continue going down, continue going down, continue going down. Bam, here it is. Nearby Nashville City homes. Explore nearby and average homes values, and this is the potential ARV that a property is going to be giving you for this specific market. If you're looking at Nashville homes, Franklin, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, all these cities nearby, not only gives you those, but it gives you other nearby cities and neighborhoods as well too. Or if you're one of those investors that really likes more specific areas or aka zip codes, you can even go through all these zip codes. Now you might be asking, well, what am I going to do with all this data? Well, what this data is telling us is this is the potential ARV for a property. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be copying and pasting all of this data, and I've actually designed a CRM or a little tool to help you get you guys updated into like these markets. So part of this real estate wholesaling CRM or real estate investing CRM, whatever you want to call it at the end of the day, part of it is called the markets area, where you can keep a track of 12 markets. If you want to add more, you can definitely add more from there. But what it does right here on where it says potential ARV, this is what I'm going to paste all of my properties, potential ARVs from Zillow. So all of these that I just copied, I'm gonna paste it over here. And I do have to do a little special paste. So I have to go through edit, paste special, and values, and paste. And bam, the potential ARVs or how much homes can go for are going to be on the left side, and on the right side there's a small formula that's going to calculate how much my offer should be based on like on that zip code. That's if I'm going based on buying properties at the 70% investing rule, which is going to be a fix and flip. If I'm trying to like buy and hold on this area, then if you're keeping like as a rental, then the calculator is going to do its own calculations at the 80% rule. But then there it is. It's going to give you two different numbers based on the two different strategies that you want to do. You just keep it very simple. And at the bottom as well too, if you can continue looking, it's going to give you some average numbers. So it's going to be the average potential ARV. So how much homes averagely are going from all those cities that all those nearby neighborhoods that you collected. It's going to give you the average of all of those collected, and then at the right side it's going to give you the average price. So now if I'm looking for deals in Nashville, Tennessee, I can do two things. I can look for specifically for like Nashville area, or I can look at the broad spectrum from like all the cities combined, and I can look for properties less than $370,000. So then now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna head over to the price point. So I'm gonna start setting my own filters. So now I'm gonna be looking for single family homes. Let me apply that first. Bam, there's those. And then based on the calculator, the average price on all these combined is 370. So let me set a price point of $370,000. $370,000, and bam, there it is. These are all my potential deals that, again, if I'm looking for fix and flippers, fix and flip deals, it's going to be right over here. If I'm looking for buy and hold deals, then it's going to be a little, I can know for sure it's going to be a deal, but bam, these are going to be 142 on market deals that I can buy at a discount. And because they're already discounted from the potential ARV of this area. Now, of course, to confirm that potential ARV, the very most common thing is I gotta look for comps. But literally finding the ARV on any single market whatsoever literally takes seconds. Of course, I'm explaining and walking you through this, so it's taking a little bit longer than a few seconds. But if I'm doing this all over again for a whole different city, this is how it would look like. So let's go through a whole different city. Let me restart all over again on Zillow. So again, refresh the area. Let me go through random cities again. Let's go with right here. Let's go with Fort Wayne, Indiana. So Fort Wayne, Indiana. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Bam. Oh, I forgot to reset this. So here, I know this, bam, let me reset all those filters. Let me go back to Zillow, Fort Wayne, here we go, Indiana, bam, about 800 properties on markets. But let me see what it comes, bam, there it is, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Let me scroll all these properties, copy, head over to my market CRM, head over to the top section, pay special, values, bam, boom, there it is. So this one was Nashville, Tennessee, and this is Fort Wayne, Indiana. And then now let me look at the average homes is $170,000. So now let me go through my filters, home types. I have my ARV, cool. Let me select houses, apply that, and let me set a price point of $170,000. And bam, I have 340 results. So now I have 340 results that I can look for. And again, that took less than a minute on finding all of these 340 results, where I can buy them at 70% of the ARV, because the potential ARV could be 256, maybe a little bit more. How much? 219 on Fort Wayne, but average 256. So again, I can push a little bit more, but I have to do my due diligence. But literally it takes seconds for you to go through all these. So if you want to have access to the CRM, I'm gonna put the link down below. You can get it. It's available on my website. It's only $17. Not only you can keep a track of your markets, keep a track of all your people, keep a track of all your properties, keep a track of all your deals that you have going on. So pretty much you're gonna have access to all that. So I hope this is able to help you out, expedite like your process on finding, on looking for deals that are really good in Zillow. And again, just walk through all these steps all over again so that we can find it, and then that we can analyze multiple areas in just a matter of seconds, just using Zillow's data, because Zillow is already doing the homework for you. All you have to do is just confirm with the information, and the way you confirm is you got to look for comps. But any questions, comments, or concerns, just put the comment. Any questions you have, put in the comments down below. I answer your questions. And if not, then head over to my website, so that way, again, you can have access to the CRM for only $17. I hope this helps you out, and enjoy your hunting.